Hello everyone, it is AKARI and we're back in the Inktober saga! Part 3, let's do it! Last time on my perseverance arc, I had a very hard time. Last video was a very tough one to get done, not gonna lie, but I'm still up to the challenge. If you haven't caught up, I've created a playlist with the videos in order so you can check them out. They should be in the top right corner or in the description if you like to get up to speed or need a refresher. Let's just hope that week 3 is not as chaotic as last week. May my teachers have mercy on me. But on another note, I've recently thought of an idea. I'm using this official Inktober list, right? I'll leave it up in the screen for you to see. I thought it would be a very cool dynamic if you guys suggested illustrations of any of the words for the upcoming weeks. So if you see a word and have an idea/scenario for any Sonic character that fits the word, comment it down below. Don't be shy, I might draw it in the upcoming videos. Be sure to keep an eye out on my community tab because I post there the art in advance. And this would be a great time to subscribe if you don't want to miss any tea about this challenge. Maybe join the membership if you like extra stuff from me. First link in the description if you're interested. But either way, leave your suggestions on the comments and let's start week 3. Day 12. I once again drew a background and enjoyed it. That's weird. Is this my character development? From being a hater of background art to enjoying drawing it? I'm not opposed to it, because I think it adds a lot to the art. Though either way, for this one I drew Sonic and Shadow as an important message for you. Play Sonic X Shadow Generations when it comes out, because the promo material has been good, so hopefully the game is good too. Hopefully. I guess we'll see later on. But back to the piece, at first I wanted to draw them tryharding at the game, because you know, they're rivals, and they were rivals. But I like the idea of them looking at the camera, or the viewer better, but then I couldn't help but to draw Sonic's hugging Shadow, because you know me, I'm a sucker for those two. Now I want to be clear, I didn't intend to do this Inktober as ship art, so this isn't exactly supposed to be ship art. Though you know I like Sonato, if you've seen my shipping video, which most of you have. So I'm not against it, but take it as you will. But with that long explanation behind us, I really want to say that I enjoy drawing this piece a lot. I'm pretty sure that this one has been one of my favorites so far, so I really hope you enjoy it. Day 13, and we have a change of format. Oh, that's nice, that's exciting. Let me know if you prefer the static speed paint format we usually have or this new format, because I want to try recording IRL footage more, because I think it's fun to see like my hand move around. I don't know, I think it's fun, but you let me know if you like this or not. Either way, onto the piece, which I think this one has been, and will be, I'm not sure, the most misunderstood piece of them all. Because a lot of people were asking me, like, why Cyber Sonic on this one? Some people didn't get it, and that's fine. But the explanation is that, where is Cyber Sonic from? The Sonic Forces DLC, right? And what is that called? The Final Horizon. The prompt was Horizon. That's why I did what I did. I can be clever sometimes. I think I was clever this time, but some people just didn't get it, and that's fine. Sometimes the Sonic brain rot on this head is way too much, and that's fine. Day 14 and we're back drawing backgrounds I really enjoy drawing. This is actually making me really happy because I usually despise drawing backgrounds. But The prompt was Rome, and the first thing that came to mind was that one IDW cover from Sonic IDW, where Serge is roaming with Kit and Amy is in the foreground. And I didn't really want to redraw that one, so I made my own spin on it. And how? Because I added Sonic and Amy. Well, Amy was in the original, but you get what I mean. And I think Serge and Sonic will never truly get along, but they try to be friendly because of Amy, you know? And well, maybe that goes as well with Sonic, but I don't think the guy could hate someone, to be honest. He's just silly like that. But I wanted this piece to have multiple interpretations, you know? And so, as I said when I posted it, this is a choose your fighter kind of piece. Serge Amy, Son Amy, Sonerge, you decide your interpretation. Let's go day 15. This was a very fun day. I love drawing Agent Stone. Especially stylized to look like a Sonic human, and lots of extra points if he has the signature egg smile, you know? So the prompt for today was guidebook, right? And I had this silly idea of Stone trying to learn more villainous ways because Robotnik's new villain persona kinda stick. Because I do like the headcanon that Stone is more evil than Robotnik when he wants to, and I also like him being a little silly. He's just a goofy guy. And the duality of that is something I enjoy very, very much. Also, yes, this was the Stobotnik representation for this Inktober, and that cannot be missing, you know it, and that shall not be missing this year. This is day 16, grunge is the word and Styx is the character for today. Look, I wanted to do something more with this piece, I truly did. But are you going to look me straight in the eyes and tell me that Styx isn't the grungiest character in the Sonic franchise? I didn't think so. Besides the obvious, I don't have much else to say than I love drawing Styx. She's such a gremlin and I love her for it, because I can always draw such wild expressions with her and it fits, right? I just love drawing Styx. And on another surprising note, I'm glad this week has gone as smoothly as it has. I'm actually very pleased by that. Did I just jinx it now by saying that? That's probable, maybe, but hopefully not, because I would be kind of upset. So hopefully tomorrow we're still back on track. Day 17. This piece was inspired by the Gerald Robotnik journal on creating Shadow that comes with a physical version of Sonic X Shadow Generations. I think it's the deluxe. I'm not sure, they released a lot of versions for that one. But this was also inspired by another piece of Sonic media that I'm not telling, because I want to see how many people get it. So comment away if you think you know it. Just letting you know that if you get it right, you're now my friend. And guess what? It seems that I haven't jinxed it yet. Everything continues to be calm, besides that one jump scare I got yesterday of a new assignment for today. I am proud to say that I had already done it, and it was by accident. And don't ask me why, because I don't really remember. And I'm not gonna question it, to be fair. That was sheer good luck and I don't have it often, so that change is much appreciated. Last but not least for this video, day 18. The prompt for today was Drive, and oh boy, I was really hyped to draw this one. Ever since I read the list, I just knew I had to draw the iconic "Get in, loser, we're going shopping" with Rouge. Though I decided last minute to add Shadow, just because I find it so funny when Rouge destroys his tough guy personality. Because, let's be clear, he 100% goes with her shopping. You can't convince me otherwise. But begrudgingly or willingly, that depends on you, but regardless he goes. They're dramatic besties, and that's what dramatic besties do. And also, side note, I wanted to add Omega, but I didn't quite have the time today to add another character to this drawing, so this will have to do for now. Sorry, Omega fans. And now that I look at it, the difference from yesterday's prompt to today is also very funny, just because yesterday I drew a Shadow all cool and stuff, and well, today he's not as cool. These last two drawings almost seem like a sequence, but that wasn't intended though. And with that, guys, gals, and non-binary pals, we have made it through another week of Inktober. This one wasn't as hard as last one, and we're already half through October, so I'm sure next week will be fine. Either way, I'll be off your screen for now, but not before we thank our lovely channel members, which shout out to Kyo, Hit Dragon, G Marifox, Servando Verdugo, and Cami M. And not before I thank you, lovely viewer, for watching this series and video until the end. I really appreciate all of the support you guys have given me on the series and on the individual drawings, so thank you very much. But either way, I have been Akari-san, and I'll see you on the next one. Keep drawing and stay spooky. Bye bye!